Welcome to my channel. This is Sadesh. So today we are going to predict the match between Royal Challenge Bangalore versus Sunrisers Hyderabad. So match going to be held in Dubai at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So first we can check about the pitch report. So as we know, like Dubai International Cricket Stadium has some grass in the pitch. So it initially support the fast bowlers as a last match like between Kingston Punjab and Delhi Capitals. Same we expecting the same pitch will be there for today also. So initially it will support for the seam bowlers, and later on it will be like it's neutral track. And later stage you can bat. Like batman will get some support in later stages. So a decent track is expected at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium on Monday, while ball coming onto the bat fairly well. However, it could be a touch on slower side with the being second match 2 days at Fs Avenue. So power play plays a crucial role for the fast bowlers because initially the fast bowlers can strike. Yesterday you can see like Mohammad Shami and Rabada had taken more wickets compared to spinners. And then seamers found plenty of assistance from the surface in Dubai. So promptly the captain winning toss choose to bowl. So we first then we can check the probable 11. Sunrisers Hyderabad. Pro 11 will be David Warner and John Bairstow will open the match. And one down will be Manish Pandey and Virat Singh, Vijay Shankar, Abdul Samad, Mohammad Dabi, Rashid Khan, Bhuvanesh Kumar and Khalil Ahmad. Either Siddharth Kaul or Sandeep Sharma will be in the playing 11. So I think Sandeep Sharma has a better chance because he is a strike bowler. He can swing the ball in the both the way, in swing as well as outswing. So most probably they want to prefer Sandeep Sharma than Siddharth Kaul. And the same like Mohammad Abdul Samad is a very good middle order batsman. He can strike the ball very well. So the recent form in domestic circuit it's suggesting that. Also Rashid Khan will play the important role because he troubled Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers many times. So I think Rashid Khan going like a will be better option. And then we can check with the Royal Challengers Bangalore. So probable 11 will be Aaron Finch, David Padikkal or Prithvi Shah, sorry, Parthiv Patel. Either one will open the innings, and one down will be obviously the Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers. In middle orders, you can see Gurkrat Singh, Shivam Dubey, Washington Sundars all-rounder, Chris Morris, Dale Steyn, Abdul Sani, or even Richard. Here, you can see that either Dale Steyn or Moeen Ali will be there in the playing 11. So based on the captain choice, so most probably the first week will take Steyn because the surface will like it will assist the fast bowlers. So maybe the chance that Virat Kohli can go with Dale Steyn. So next captain choices. So David Warner, Virat Kohli, Johnny Bairstow, Aaron Finch, Rashid Khan, AP de Villiers, and Chahal will be captain choices. The reason behind is David Warner can strike the ball at any time, and also Johnny Bairstow, the recent form in Australia versus England ODIs, so he can be a better batsman. And Virat Kohli is an Indian captain, so he can strike the ball very well. And AP de Villiers is a 360 batsman, so he can score at any time at any ground. So I think going with this captain will be better, like it will be safer option. And also even the Chahal can bowl four. Actually, he's going to bowl a 4 overs, and surely can take 2 or 3 wickets. This match fact in 9 innings for Sunrise Hyderabad against RCB, the Warner scored 562 runs at 80.29 average in past 50 on 8 times. So he has scored more 50s against RCB. So going with Warner is a captain is a better option because they have a numerous strike rate of 80.29. And second, Sandeep Sharma has picked 21 wickets in 12 matches against RCB at 12.5 balls. So in every 12.5 balls, Sandeep Sharma is picking a 1 wicket. That's a good option. I think strike rate is very good. So as I told, like Sandeep Sharma has a better chance than the Sarath Kaul. And also he dismissed Kohli 6 times and De Villiers 2 times. And then Rashid Khan economy rating you use just 5.6 only. So as I told, he can be very economical as well as he can pick a crucial wickets like 2 or 3 wickets. So going with Rashid Khan also is a better option. So as we know, the Sunrise Hyderabad is known for better bowlers. So in case a match is like a score is 140 or 130, it's better to defend the score. So next we can go with the Dream 11 team. So my wicket keeper will be Johnny Bairstow, and one like a batsman will be Virat Kohli, Padikkal, Warner, and Manish Pandey, and my all-rounders will be Mohammad Ali and Mohammad Nabi. And then my bowlers will be Yuvendra Chachal, Mohammad Saini, Rashid Khan, and Khalil Ahmad. So we see the Khalil Ahmad the main strike bowler. So if you see the last year IPL record, in every match he picking 2 or 3 wickets. So we can choose Khalil Ahmad as a better option, and also Rashid Khan has a better economy. So you can go with the Rashid Khan. And Mohammad Saini is a very good strike bowler. In this surface, surely Mohammad Saini will shine because the surface will assist fast bowlers. So it may chance that Mohammad Saini can pick a 1 or 2 wickets. And same Yunus Chahal, it's a very good spinner. He can also take the wicket. And we can go with the second team. The second team we can see the Johnny Bairstow is open will open the innings along with like Virat Kohli, Padikkal, Warner, Manish Pandey will be a batsman. So there we can also do some changes. So for Padikkal we can also replace with Aaron Finch. In the place of Manish Pandey, we can add another all-rounder. And Washington Sundar is a very good all-rounder. He can also bowl in power play and he can take the wickets. And then the bowlers, the same instead of Khalil Ahmad, they can Sandeep Sharma. In case if wish means you can also change you can take Nawabit Saini and you can place with Khalil Ahmad in the team. And Bhuvaneswar Kumar also very good choice. You can also pick him. Thank you friends. Please support me. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.